Hello everybody, Tom here at Classy Chassis. Just wanted to do a short video of 2020 Chevrolet we just did a strobe package on. We call it the Corner Strobes. Just want to kind of go over and let everybody see what they look like on the 2020s. These are all high-powered LEDs. Walk around the front so you can see how we did the front. Looks really good. They're very bright. We can add more if a customer would like more. And I'm going to show you where we put the switch on this one. Put a nice little rocker switch right here. So you got off, on. Very simple. Looks good. Nice truck. And if you need anything like that, let us know. Talk to you later.